Take a ride in the 2016 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.